Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the PowerStop Z26 Street Warrior front brake pad and rotor kit for the 2015 and newer SRT 392 and Hellcat. This kit's going to be a good option for someone looking for upgrade replacement pads and rotors for a daily driver or a street car. These are going to be a good option for those higher horsepower street cars out there that want some more braking performance. PowerStop calls out a 20% increase in braking performance with this kit. It cost about $820. I'm going to call the install a 2 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter. This kit offers you upgraded pads and rotors, which means that you're going to be getting pads and rotors that are more performance oriented. The kit's made for street use in high horsepower cars, so you're not looking at stock replacements here. What you are looking at though are direct replacements, which means that these are going to install like stock parts and give you more performance. Of course, you're getting both rotors and pads for the front of the car here, and these are backed by a 3-year, 36,000-mile limited warranty too. The other piece of the puzzle are the rotors. Once again, you're getting your front rotors with this kit. These are slotted and drilled rotors that are cast iron and then zinc plated. The zinc plating on the rotors helps to resist corrosion, and it keeps them looking nice behind your wheels, and the slotting and drilling is for ventilation for the rotors. It helps to reduce brake temps, and it gives the gas and dust that's made during braking a place to go to. Once again, I'm going to call this install a 2 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter, and of course, I'll say that you can always check this kit out more online right here at AmericanMuscle.com.